am LC. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am glad to have you here. Today, in case you haven't noticed, my makeup is partially done, and that is because we have some new products to try out that I'm actually really excited about. I have some brand new ColourPop items that are new. They are always coming out with new stuff though, so it's kind of hard to keep up with ColourPop, but I actually really do love them. I have several palettes from them and they are just all amazing. There's really not too much to complain about them. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the stuff I got. So I got two of their new SuperNova shadows that are from the new release. They released some and then they just recently came out with some more. I also got two of their new loose highlighters. Again, they had released some a little bit ago. They released some, I didn't hear much about them, and then they released some new ones that really just caught my eye. Ooh. And then the last product that I have is actually not a new product. It's been around for a while. The color has been around for a while, but I have never personally tried it, and it is one of their Ultra Satin Lipsticks. You know what? We're trying new stuff today, and why not just throw in a regular thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my eyes, move on to highlighter, and then the lips. Let's go ahead and open this up. This one is Now or Never. Ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I don't know why, but I just wasn't expecting it to be this big. All right, so on the website for the Now or Never one, the description is this silvery taupe with gold/silver flip will hold you down, down, down forever. I don't know, so I'll put some images up here of the swatches that ColourPop gives you, and so you can see kind of what I was going for. I was like, this looks gorgeous. It looks like it'd be perfect on the eyes. The next one that I have is Prelude, and again, the description for this one on the website says, get ready for this peach with a pink/blue flip crescendo. Okay, it does look very peachy pinky, which I love. All right, they are both gorgeous. They are both, oh my goodness. I think I wanna go in with Prelude. I feel like out of both of them, this one is probably gonna be more popular. Ooh, okay. All right, so that is what it looks like. I haven't blended it. I haven't done any other shadows with it. I really like it. I feel like this is definitely an easy substitute. I mean, that was so quick. I just, whoop, it's done. It's done. I feel like you could totally use this for some sort of cut crease or something like that. Would it be weird if I put this one? This might work well for you if you like that silver type of metallic look. That doesn't look too bad, right? It looks a little weird. Okay, all right, I probably shouldn't have done that, but I wanted you to see what both the colors look like on the eyes. It did dry down almost completely. I mean, it feels a little heavy on my lids, but nothing too bad. But it definitely is already starting to crackle and everything, and I just put this on. And I did not put on too much. I swear I went in with a normal amount that you would. I'm a little disappointed. Actually, I'm a lot disappointed. But you know what? For now, let's move on to something really fun, and that is the highlighters. If you know me, you know I love a good highlight, girl. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that we have tried out quite a few here. So I am excited to give these ones a go since they are a really affordable option. It's definitely a good size in my opinion. I don't mind it. This is the Shimmerista, and obviously there is a big difference, but there's also a huge difference in the price. This was about $14. This is $7. I ain't mad at the size, okay? I have just recently got into loose highlighters. I've kind of discovered the magic of them. There's also downsides to them as well, meaning, you know, they don't last as long and stuff like that, but they can look really gorgeous, so let's go ahead and try it out. This one is called Just For Us. It looks really sparkly, but it also looks very finely milled, which is good. Oh my gosh. And look at how easily it blended into my skin. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so nice. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more just because why not? $7. Seven bucks. Let's stop messing around though and get on to Sugar Trap because girl, I know you've been seeing the swatches everywhere. You've been seeing those and you've been eyeing them and you've been thinking, is it that good? Is it? look at that. Oh my gosh. Did I put a little too much on? Maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of Sugar Track and do my nose. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's do this. I'm done. I have found one of my new favorite highlighters. I mean, for $7, out of the 2 products I've tried so far, these babies are a hit. That, you know, again, seriously. You know what, my power keeps going out, so let's just move on to the Ultra Satin Lip, and come on. Okay guys, I am so sorry about that. I know it looks a little different right now, and that's because the last time I was filming, the power went out. So we left off on the lips last time, so I'm going to go ahead and open this back up, and it is in the shade Dopey. It is one of their Ultra Satin Lips, so let's put it on, okay? Okay, so that went on really nicely, really smooth. It's a beautiful color. Now, because this is one of their Ultra Satin Lips, I'm not completely familiar with the formula and the dry down time, or if it even dries down. I don't know exactly. All I know is that it's been raved about. People love that formula, so I was really interested to try it out. Now, I did want to mention that since we had to come back, it's another day. Obviously, my makeup looks different. I do still have the Luster Dust in Sugar Trap on my cheeks. Yes. Along with the other high points of my face, my brow bone has the Luster Dust called Just For Us. I really just, they're beautiful. Can you see that? Now, the eyes. No, I am not wearing either of the SuperNova shadows that I got. I am wearing something else. I can't with those. I have no clue what happened, but they are not at all what people made them out to be. A lot of people compared them to the Stila ones. Now, I have one of the Stila ones on my eyes right now. It is the Smoldering Satin one. I love it. It's glittery. It's got what you need. It's great, okay? These SuperNova ones just sit right on top of the skin. They cracked and crumbled up, and not in a normal glitter fallout type of way. It's a crumbly, icky kind of way. I'm just really bummed about it. The longer that I kept them on, the more crumbly and cracked they got. I really don't want to hate on ColourPop too much because I really do love so much of their stuff. All the things I've gotten from them so far have been amazing. So just because these didn't work for me doesn't mean they won't work for you. You never know. I am definitely going to give them another try, and I promise I will let you guys know how it goes a couple more times of using them, but as of right now, I'm nervous to try them out. Now, these Luster Dusts, I can't even say enough good things about these. These are gorgeous, beautiful, amazing. I love them. I can't wait to keep using them more. I think if you're into loose highlighters or you're looking to get into them, these would definitely be a safe bet. $7, you can't beat that. You can't. Anyways, yeah, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Stay flawless, guys.